Whoo-wee. Well, that is it. I can wring my hat out now. Whew. It is so hot. Welcome to Southeast Texas in the middle of summer. August, middle August. Still summer for 2 months. 100 degrees for the last 6 weeks, 100 degrees for the next 6 weeks. You can't win, folks. What is going on, y'all, and welcome to The Average Homeowners. Today is part 1 of our newest series, our fertilizer testing series. So as you can see behind me, you've seen me use some of these in past videos. I've got the Super Turf from NitroPhos, I've got the Starter Turf from Scott's, and I've got the Anderson's PGF Complete with Humic DG. So today what we're going to be doing, you can see I've got a ton of the NitroPhos. That's going to be our main yard fertilizer for this application. It's a 19-4-10 blend. We need to get nitrogen and slow release nitrogen into our yard. It's been a while since I fertilized. Life happens. We had some stuff going on in the personal life. We'd had a trip planned. So all that's out of the way now, and we can focus on taking care of the yard. So we're going to get this NitroPhos on essentially 80% of our acre. We're going to get this down the front yard, the side yard, and then in the back 40, which you know we call the back 40 because it's the back 40% of our 1 acre, not back 40 acres. We're going to section off 3 5,000 square foot sections. We're going to put 5,000 square foot of the NitroPhos. We're going to put 5,000 square foot of the Scott's Turf Builder Starter Fert. And we're going to put 5,000 square feet of the 16-4-8 PGF Complete with Humic DG. We're going to put them side by side, and we're going to test them out, and we're going to keep updating you throughout this series every 5 to 7 days and give you an update on how these are working in the yard, show you the results, and give you definitive proof of what works best and what works not best. As you all know, all of these will be linked in the description below. So as we go through the rest of this series, feel free to log on to Amazon or to the Andersons, linked separately, and get these fertilizers and try them for yourself. So if you have a fertilizer that you want to see tested or one that you prefer, drop it in the comments below. And if there's anything you'd like to see me make a video on in the future, drop that down there as well. Before we get started, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button, comment down below with anything you'd like to see. And for the 85% of you who watch the videos but don't subscribe, go ahead and click that subscribe button. It helps the channel, helps me grow, and helps me bring you new content every week. Let's get to it. All right, so we've got a 100-foot tape measure, we've got some fence posts, we've got the post driver. First thing we're gonna do is section off our 3 5,000 square foot sections. So let's get to work on that, and then we'll get to fertilizing. This ground is ridiculously dry. All I'm doing is bending them. Whew. It is so hot. Welcome to Southeast Texas in the middle of summer. August, middle August. Still summer for 2 months. 100 degrees for the last 6 weeks, 100 degrees for the next 6 weeks. You can't win, folks, but in honor of the heat, like the video. That said, we have now sectioned off our backyard, our back 40, into 3 5,000 square foot sections. The first 5,000 square foot section to my right, your left, is going to be, well, yeah, to your left. That's going to be we're going to do the Scott's over there. We're going to do the Scott's starter because we do still have some new grass back here too from that second batch of seeding we had to do. So let's go ahead and put the Scott's there. We're going to put the Andersons right in the middle. The Andersons is going to go right in the middle of the yard. It's going to go in this section here. And as you can see, we've got the posts there. The right-hand side, my left, your right, that's going to be the NitroPhos slow release. That's what we're doing the rest of the yard in, so that's kind of the natural way to come through the gate and get to this. So we're going to get this down, and like I said, we're going to update you on exactly how this is coming in, how it's growing, how we're watering it. So let's cue that sweet fertilizing montage. Whoo-wee. Well, that is it. I can wring my hat out now. It is 105 degrees, but we have finished. We have separated the yard into 5,000 square foot sections. We have put down the Scott's Turf Builder. We've put down the Andersons, and we put down the Super Turf from Nitrofos. So we've watered it in. We've got our watering schedule set for about an inch, inch and a half a week, depending on rainfall, which there hasn't been any, so an inch and a half a week, 3 different waterings. And now we're gonna update you. So I will see you in 7 days with an update on this lawn. Good luck with your turf. Let's go.